Hello, hello. Teacher Candy here. Welcome to class. We are having environmental studies today and we are learning about plants. Do you know what plants are? Uh-huh. What do we use plants for? We eat. We eat plants. Some of them we just like looking at them, like the flowers. Some of them we use them for medicine. Plants are used in so many ways, and we need to take care of what? Of plants. So, there are different kinds of plants around us. Have you ever seen all these plants? Look at them. Look at them. Have you ever seen all these plants? Some of them are beautiful, some of them are tall, some of them are short, some of them are thorny. Look at this one. It is so thorny. Do you want it to prick you? Ouch! 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 Huh? Yeah, so they are very different kinds of plants, but we love them all because God created them all. And um, there are trees that even those ones are plants. The trees that give us shade, even those ones are plants, and they are big and tall. While we also have the short ones like cabbage, sukuma wiki, and they all are good for us. They have a job for them to do to us, and we need to be taking care of plants around us. But then remember, all plants are not for eating. Some plants are very poisonous, so you don't go eating things on the road. You find a plant growing, and then you cut and then no, 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 no. Some plants are very poisonous. So you don't go plucking plants from the road and going to eat them. Okay, my friends? Well done. Yes. So you need to be making sure you ask mommy, you ask daddy, you ask teacher, is this plant okay? And before you eat it, you have to wash it. You have to wash the plant before you eat it. Now, before we join Teacher Margaret's class to learn more about the plants in their environment, I have a song. Will you sing with me? Well done. Come in, let's sing together about how the plant grows, okay? So it says, the farmer plants the seed, the farmer plants the seed. Hey, oh, here we go. The farmer plants the seed like this. The farmer plants the seed. The farmer plants the seed. Hey, oh, here we go. The farmer plants the seed. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Hey, oh, here we go. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Hey, oh, here we go. The rain begins to fall. And then the plants begin to grow. Woo, the plants begin to grow. Hey, oh, here we go. The plants begin to grow. The plants begin to grow. Yay! Welcome to Teacher Margaret's class. Let's learn more about plants in our environment.
Class, we want to explore plants in our environment, and we have a lot of plants in our environment. Is it true?
Yes!
Now, who is going to tell me any plant that you know? Like me, I'm going to tell you maize plant. So, Hamidi, tell us another plant that you know?
Flower.
That is a plant, that is part of our plant. I've said the maize plant, yes, Nok?
Fruit.
Oh, yes. Yeah, bean plant, very good. I've said maize plant, so he has said bean plant. Another one, Joy?
Potato plant.
Yeah, potato plant. Another one?
Avocado plant.
Avocado plant. Another one, Mary Ann.
Tomato plant.
Yeah, tomato plant. Another one, Natasha.
Apple plant.
Apple plant. Very good. Those are the plants that we have in our environment. And now, within those plants, we have some parts of a plant. Some parts of a plant. And I have my plant here. Can you see these plants?
Yes.
And before we see our chart, we want to see our plant with these parts. With these parts. Tell me, which part is this? The green one, the one I can pluck, this one, this one. Leon, which part of a plant is this? Leaf. Say leaf.
Leaf.
When they are many, we call them leaves. So the green ones are leaves. Say leaves.
Leaf.
Yes, and then Tatiana and Joaquin, we have this part, the beautiful one of a plant. Tatiana, which part of a plant is this? Yes?
Flower.
Yeah, this is the flower. Say flower.
Flower.
And then we have this part which is holding the leaves. Say then, which part is this? This one. The one which holds the leaves like this. Who's going to tell me? Yes, Mark? Yes. Again, say it again. Yeah, this is a branch. And you see this branch, it is just coming from this part of a plant, and then it is holding this these leaves. Then we have this part, almost going to where we have this part of the soil. Yes, Perry, what do we call this part of a plant? This one. Who is going to tell me? Yes, Seb, which part is this? Yes? Yeah, very good. This is the stem. Say stem. Then we have this part, this one, which touches the soil. It is inside the soil. We have, when we plant it, we can't see it. Alisa, what do we call this part?
Roots.
Yeah, say roots.
Roots.
Everybody say roots.
Roots.
This is the part of a plant. Say part of a plant.
Part of a
And
plant.
then we have this one. Our plant doesn't have it, but we can put it this way. It usually hangs this way, and we eat some of them. What do we call this part? This one which hangs this way? It is called a
Fruit.
say fruit.
Fruit.
And what kind of fruit is this one? It is
Avocado.
an avocado. It is an avocado.
Avocado.
Now, can we see our chart? Can you see our chart?
Yes.
Say part of a plant.
Part of a plant.
We have said the most beautiful part is called the flower. Say flower.
Flower.
Say flower.
Flower.
And then this one, the one we eat, what do we call this part?
Fruit.
Yes?
Fruit.
And now who is going to tell me, is this a banana fruit? Is
No.
this a mango fruit?
Yes.
This is a mango fruit. And then we have this part which is holding leaves like this part. It's called a branch. Say branch. And we have these green ones. What do we call them? These ones. What have we called them? Leaves. Say leaves.
Leaf.
And then we have this part. After leaves and after branch, we have this part. How have we called it? Let's read here. Which part is this?
Stem.
And then we have these ones which are inside the soil. How have we called them?
Roots.
How have we called them?
Roots.
Say roots.
Roots.
Now, I want you to know that we have big plants and we have small plants. Like you can compare these two plants. These two plants. Which one is bigger? Is it A or B?
B.
B. This one is bigger than this one. And then we say this is smaller than this. Are we together? Yes, I know. In a farm, we have like maize plant. Like maize plant is big. It is big. We also have banana plant. It is also big. What about bean plant? Is it big or small? It is small. Say it is small.
It is small.
What about carrot plant? Is it big or small? Small. Say it is small.
Small.
What about cabbage plant? Is it big or small?
Big.
It is big. No, it is big. Let me tell you the difference between big and small. The big plant, it grows taller and taller until it covers my head. It covers my head. What about the smaller plants? The small plants, they just grow up to here. From the table up to here. Those are small plants. Say small plants.
Small plants.
And big plants like the avocado plants, they are big. They are big. Aya, what about banana plants? It is big. What about maize plant? It is big. Aya, what about cabbage plant? It is
Small.
What about carrot plant? It is
Small.
What about sukuma wiki plant? It is small because it doesn't cover my head. It doesn't cover my head. Then we should know we have edible. See edible.
Edible.
Those ones that we eat. Those ones that we
Eat.
Do we eat all the plants?
No.
Do we eat all the plants?
No.
I know. Who is going to tell me which plants we eat? Which plant do we eat?
Mango.
Yeah, we eat the mango, the fruit itself. Which other one, Ellie? Avocado plant. We even eat the maize. Do we eat the maize?
Yes.
We eat sukuma wiki. Do we eat sukuma wiki?
Yes.
Do we eat cabbage?
Yes.
Now tell me, which plant don't we eat? Like I'm going to tell you grass. Do we eat grass?
No.
What eats grass?
Cow.
Yes, cows or animals. What else don't we eat? Yes, grass. What else don't we eat? Yes. Grass. What else? Sisal. Do you know sisal?
Yes.
Do we eat sisal plant? No. It is poisonous. It is poisonous. Yes, Natasha. What else don't we eat? Yes. A leaf. But we eat leaves of cabbage or sukuma wiki. Yes, Perry?
Soil.
No, soil is not a plant. Which plant don't we eat?
Cactus.
Yeah, cactus. Because cactus is thorny. Cactus is thorny. So we don't eat cactus. We don't eat sisal fiber. We don't eat what else? Yes? Yes? Rose flower. Very good. Have you ever seen that plant from a rose flower?
Yes.
Do we eat those leaves? No. So class, it is good to know the plants we eat like maize plant, banana plant, and the ones we don't eat like cactus. We don't eat rose plant. We don't eat sisal plant. Are we together?
Yes.
And then we have seen the big plants and then the small plants.